Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to Fun for Kids channel. I have already completed letter A to N. Now let us learn the letter O. O is the vowel. O is for orange. O, orange. O is for ocean. O, ocean. O is for owl. O, owl. O is for ox. O, ox. O is for ostrich. O, ostrich. O is for oxygen. O, oxygen. O is for omelette. O, omelette. O is for oven. O, oven. O is for olive. O, olive. O is for oil. O, oil. O is for one. O, one. O is for oysters. O, oysters. O is for octopus. O, octopus. O is for onion. O, onion. Thank you so much kids for watching this channel. Like, share, subscribe. See you in our next interesting video. I hope you are enjoying this video and you learn the letter O. O is the vowel.